The Solana meme coin, Pepe the Wizard PEPEWIZZ, is reportedly poised for a massive surge, with some predicting a potential 19,000% increase ahead of its first exchange listing. This anticipated spike is creating a lot of buzz, especially as more established coins like SHIB and Doge are experiencing drops. The potential for such dramatic gains could attract investors looking to capitalize on early listings, which often see significant price volatility and growth in the initial stages. This surge in interest around PEPEWIZZ aligns with the trend of investors shifting from more traditional meme coins like SHIB and Doge to newer, high-potential tokens on the Solana blockchain. The ongoing craze for Solana-based meme coins is drawing significant attention, especially as larger and more established meme coins like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Doge, and Dog Whiff Hat, Whiff, have been trading sideways and losing momentum in recent weeks. This shift suggests that investors may be seeking higher returns by moving into newer, more volatile tokens on the Solana network, which are perceived to have greater potential for rapid gains. The excitement around these emerging Solana meme coins underscores a broader trend of looking beyond traditional meme coins for opportunities in the evolving crypto market. The momentum in the Solana meme coin ecosystem is fueled by the search for higher returns in a market where more established meme coins like SHIB, Doge, and Whiff have been relatively stagnant. These newer Solana-based tokens are capturing the imagination of the crypto community, offering fresh narratives and the allure of early adoption rewards. Investors are drawn to the potential for explosive growth, often driven by speculative trading and the excitement of getting in on the ground floor of what could be the next big thing. This is a stark contrast to the current performance of SHIB, Doge, and Whiff, which, while still popular, have seen their prices stabilize, leading to a shift in focus toward these emerging Solana projects. The continued success of Solana meme coins highlights the dynamic nature of the crypto market, where trends can shift rapidly and new opportunities can emerge in unexpected places. As these Solana tokens gain traction, they could potentially challenge the dominance of established meme coins, especially if they manage to deliver on their promises and capture a significant share of the market.